using the Shaggy Luxe hair extensions. They're 100% natural. These are in dark mocha brown because I did just dye my hair. I went from balayage to this nice dark deep color, which I'm absolutely loving. So yeah, I'm excited to use a new kind of extensions, new review. These are 120 grams and they are 20 inches long. So this is going to give me a lot of volume and it's going to give me length as well. So my hair is very frizzy and it's very thin. It actually looks like I might have like a little bit of volume, but I really don't. That's just because the frizziness, the dark actually hides the frizziness, but it does not look good, especially the ends. My hair starts to get curly. You can see at the bottom it just gets thinner as it gets longer. It's just not even cute. They come with, which I absolutely love for traveling, like a little case and a little hanger that you can hang them up. I also love to use the hanger so when I style them I can curl them. It makes life way more easier, and I just love to have a carrying case just to keep them nice and perfect, make them last longer. Opening it up, here they are. They're so pretty. They feel really soft. There's a little curl at the end, which I absolutely love, so it gives it a little bit of a bounce. So first up we have a 2-clip, one with 2 clips, another, we have 2 with 2 clips, another one with 3 clips, another one with 3 clips, one with 4 clips, and then we have one with 1 clip. So yeah, looking at them, they're nice and thick. You can definitely tell that they're really great quality. They're natural. They're gonna match perfect with my hair right now because my hair isn't totally black. It does have like little bits of brown pieces and like little spots of blue. So these are gonna match perfect. They're very similar to just like the hair on my actual head. So it's awesome. I love that these, when you look at them in the light, that there's like little specks of browns in them. They're just very natural. I am going to take a little brush. I already have my curl and iron on, and right below my ears is where I'm going to do a little line to where I'm going to start my extensions, and I'm just going to pop a clip up in my hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to curl, because I like the curls a lot that's already in them, so I'm just going to keep it going with that. I'm just going to curl my actual hair just so that it matches up. What I'm going to take is the one with 2 clips. You can tell these clips are nice and strong and durable, which I love. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to gently brush them out. I like to hold them at where the clip is and then take a wet brush and kind of just fluff them out a little bit. Just unclip them. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tease a little bit at the back, at the root, where I'm going to put them in at. What I'm doing is I'm just rolling the clip into the scalp to kind of push it into my hair where I just teased it a little bit. So what I'm going to do is, just so that everything blends really nicely, I am just going to curl the ends of this. Gosh, look how pretty that is. It looks so good. What I love about hair extensions too is that the curl holds a lot longer than my actual hair. That's one thing I hate about my real hair, is if I'm going out for the night, my real hair does not hold a curl very long at all. We take that down, and then I'm going to go right about the middle of my ear. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to tease my hair right where I'm going to put in. Where I teased it, we're going to do the same technique. We're going to run that clip in like a circle on your scalp into the teased hair. And then your hair should be kind of looking like this. Then I'm going to take that hair that I just placed in, and I'm just going to curl it along again really quickly with my real hair so nothing stands out, everything blends nicely together. This is what my hair is looking like so far. I got a ton of volume and my curls are actually staying put, which I absolutely love. And I'm going to go right at the top of my ears this time, kind of at the crown. I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to, again, I'm just going to curl these pieces. These are so nice and silky. They just look so nice. They lay very nicely. So then the top, I feel like I want one more like at my crown just to give myself some oomph, I guess. So I'm gonna do a tour. A lot of hair. I love it. I wish this was my real hair. It looks so nice. So I am just going to finish up the curls so they all blend. So here is my finished look with my new hair extensions. So again, they are Shaggy loxx hair. They're super easy to put in. As you guys seen, they feel so nice. They're so soft. They smell really, really good. I hate when hair extensions smell like plastic. That's kind of weird. So I love the fact that they smell so nice. They're so soft. They're silky. They're very wearable. The clips are very, very strong. They're close to my head. Absolutely love them. I do have a discount code for you guys, so definitely check that out. That will be in the description. And if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, do all that great stuff, and definitely check out Shaggy loxx.